Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of the Max AC channel. For this month, we will be continuing to make more drinks, but for this month's theme, we will be doing a fourth round of Juiceless July, where we'll be focusing on 5 different drinks that don't use fruit juices in their recipes. For this episode, we will be making some Hibiscus Bissap. For this recipe, you will need half a cup of dried hibiscus flowers, a third to a half cup of sugar, 4 to 6 cups of water, 1 to 2 thin slices of fresh ginger, 1 small cinnamon stick or a quarter teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a few fresh mint leaves, and some ice if you wish. This will make about 4 to 6 servings, so adjust as needed. First, in a medium saucepan, bring your water to a boil. While we wait, we'll prepare the ginger, so peel this and then slice this up into thin slices. Next, once the water is boiling, add in the dried hibiscus flowers, sugar, ginger slices, and cinnamon stick, and stir this until the sugar dissolves. Then remove this from the heat, add a few mint leaves if desired, cover this, and let this steep for 15 to 20 minutes. When you're ready, strain the drink into a pitcher, pressing on the flowers to extract all the liquid. At this time, you can dilute the mixture with some more water if you wish. Then let this cool to room temperature before refrigerating it to chill it before serving. Then, when you're ready to serve, fill your glasses with some ice and pour in the chilled Bissap. Garnish this with a fresh mint sprig if desired, and with that, your Hibiscus Bissap is ready to drink. For this week's recipe, I wanted to highlight a classic West African drink that I've been wanting to try for a while. Also known as hibiscus tea or roselle juice, Bissap is a deep red, tart, and refreshing drink made from dried hibiscus flowers. Bissap is a popular drink served across countries like Senegal, Mali, and Burkina Faso, and is often enjoyed chilled as a drink to cool off with during hot weather. But it is also enjoyed hot like other herbal teas in many places such as Egypt and Italy. The drink also made its way to the Caribbean and the Americas through the African diaspora, where it's known as sorrel, and it later spread to other parts of the world, including Thailand and other Southeast Asian countries. In terms of taste, this homemade Bissap has a bright cranberry-like tartness from the hibiscus, plus the fresh ginger and cinnamon add a nice warm and spicy depth that makes it more complex, while the mint leaves give it a cool, fresh finish that feels perfect for summer. For the dried hibiscus, these can usually be found in the Hispanic or Mexican food aisle. Just look for them labeled as Jamaica or Roselle flowers. The fresh ginger, cinnamon sticks, and mint leaves are optional, but if you do have some of these lying around your kitchen, I highly recommend using them. You can also add in a few cloves or a vanilla bean if you want to experiment with some extra flavor, but if you want to keep it simple, just the hibiscus and sugar work perfectly on their own to create a tart, sweet drink. But whether you keep it simple or add something to spice it up, this tangy, ruby red Hibiscus Bissap is a refreshing way to enjoy a classic flower-based drink this summer. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video. In the comments below, let me know how it went if you decided to make it, and let me know if you have any questions or if there's anything you want me to make next. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to or follow this channel for more episodes of the Max AC channel. And remember, if you want to stay cool in the kitchen, turn your AC to the max and watch the Max AC channel. 1 small cinnamon stick, 1 small cinnamon stick, 1 small cinnamon stick.